Don't touch it, Camden.
Yeah, your glass.
You can call the police.
Yeah, yeah.
Take fingerprints.
Somebody broke in.
Well, let's open it and see. It's through the back.
I woke up to this today. Someone broke in. Doesn't look like so far. I'm just checking everything out. Looks like they did crawl through because the pillow is messed up. First sight, it doesn't look like they took anything though. That's what's crazy. I mean, everything is still, like all my shower stuff, like easy access stuff that they could have taken. It's all still here. Although they probably would have been noticed if they tried to get through the back. I do see some, we did have a couple of monsoon storms, and I can tell that this has gotten wet. But coming through here, my fridge is still there. That would have been an easy one just to slide out and get. Definitely, I think they went through that window because of the way the pillows are laying. Be careful, don't cut yourself on glass. And they looked through that. These under here. Hey Camden, that right there has like my drone and a bunch of other stuff in it. Camden, do you see my drone in there? Looks like they went plummeting through all that too.
Which one am I supposed to look in?
But luckily, no, that's okay, hon, I'll do it. This is like all of my chargers and stuff. Everything is still in there. I knocked that over. My battery, my power station, I took in because it's so hot. They couldn't steal that. So let me see if they took I have portable power stations. Or sorry, portable solar panels, but all my battery stuff. Yeah, it's odd. Did they just break in to sleep in here? It's weird as hell. So yeah, that's gonna be fun to try and find a window to fix this. I can't get this door open. To be continued. Yeah, so far I don't see anything missing. So, I mean, they were probably looking for quick, easy grab stuff. Oh, I forgot to check and see if my drone was missing. I mean, I don't know. Man, it's filthy dirty. I mean, I think somebody broke in and just slept in here. We've had a bunch of rain. I mean, look at how my pillows look like they're laying down. Look at my drone is still in here. That's weird. I don't know. Like, thankfully nothing was stolen. Yeah, so I have company here that's wanting to park my driveway, which is why I parked over here. So normally I wouldn't park in the street like this, but I guess just a public service announcement. If we're leaving our vans for an extended period of time, you know, make sure, I don't know, there's no way to avoid this, I guess. I have no idea. But I do notice I must have a leak somewhere because I can definitely tell that some water is leaking in right here. And my solar panel cord is broken, so I gotta fix that too. Yeah. Could have been worse, huh, Camden? All my stuff could have been gone. So somebody just came and took a nap in here. And look at my backup camera. Like, that's still up in the front thing. I mean, there's a lot of stuff they could have taken. But my first thought was my power station and my Noco boost, like easy grab stuff. But I really don't think whoever did break in, I don't think they were looking for that. I think they were looking for a place to sleep. Get out of the rain that we've had the last 3 nights have been just pouring. So, okay, could have been worse. Now to find a new window and to clean up. Okay, I've calmed down. I wanted to kind of come back and re-record some stuff just because that was my initial walking out here and seeing it, and I was just a little flabbergasted, I guess. So I don't know, just a little backstory. So I have, like I said, I have company staying here. This is where I live in this neighborhood, which is a nice neighborhood. But I'm doing it again. Not making sense. I'm just beside myself. This really sucks. But parking on the street, because I have company visiting, I normally park in my driveway. And we do have cameras that are down there. I've already contacted my landlord that I rent from, and they said that the way that the van is sitting, the cameras are more towards the playground here and the mailboxes. So they were unable to see anybody that had broken in. Since nothing is missing, I mean, I can't really report it to the police. The only thing, like I was saying earlier in the video, it looks like somebody had crawled in. This pillow is never facing like that. This pillow, we've already kind of cleaned up some of the glass, but this pillow was laying like this. And so it looks like they had, crawled through here. And all of these pillows are laying down like that, like somebody had laid here or perhaps laid on that back bed. Those blankets are a little disheveled as well. And it's all normally folded nice and neat. So someone was definitely in here. Thankfully, they did not take anything. I do, because in Arizona, I take in my portable power station, and I don't leave that in here because it shouldn't be in the extreme heat. But I just want to show this again. I never have my pillows like this. They're always sitting up nice and neat. It really looks like somebody had, been in here just kind of looking through stuff or just moving through it carelessly. This is knocked over. These are pushed down like somebody looked inside of here. This that has my gadgets, like different camping gadgets, that's pulled out. So they definitely looked in there. I doubt that they opened my cabinet here because it would have taken them some effort to open and close it. And I think that they would have not done that because you have to put, in order to close this clasp. I mean, everything's still in there. My, easy grab stuff. Yeah, it's all, not anything too expensive, but thankfully I take in. See how you have to close it like that? I would have thought that they would have left that open. But it looks like somebody was laying in here. See how everything's kind of moved? I feel like somebody just came in here and took a nap, and they came in from the rain. We've had 3 nights. Oh, look at, that's odd. There's like footprints on that. Weird. Nothing's in the cab. Yeah. My grandson cleaned up what glass was on the bed. But I keep getting interrupted because I'm just, like I said, really kind of in shock. And I'm more feeling gratitude that, nothing was stolen. This is where I keep my dishes, my water system. Those would take some time to kind of remove. My power station, my Noco Boost, my fridge. I'm surprised that, none of that stuff was taken that's in here. I keep getting interrupted. What I'm trying to say is the stuff that they would have wanted to get and would have been easy to grab, like my power station, my Noco Boost, my computer, my, cameras, all of that I have inside. All of that I brought in because of it being so hot right now. Sorry, I'm getting out of the van. Sorry for the crummy videoing. But yeah, all of that I carry inside because of Arizona heat, and I don't want it to get wrecked. So thankfully, none of that was in here. That would have been hard to replace. If somebody just came in here to take a nap, yeah, you feel a little bit of an intrusion. But, thankfully, I wasn't in here. No one got hurt. They got out of the rain. They broke my window, which is going to probably be really hard to find for a 2005 older van. But, again, it could have been much worse. It could have been much, much worse. So, how do you avoid that? How can you avoid it? Like, what is a precaution that you could do to make this not happen? If you're not sleeping in your van that night and it's parked somewhere, it's open to the public to break in and have a little sleep, I guess. Okay. Not much more clear of a video. I'm still rambling and not really making sense, but just a little bit more of a backstory that I wanted to go back and say now that I've calmed down a little bit. Yeah, I don't know how that's... Ugh. Now I'm starting to think of the repairs and how I'm gonna fix it. Yuck. Okay, guys. Be safe out there. Make sure people aren't breaking in and taking naps into your vehicles when you're not in there. Definitely looks like somebody was in here sleeping. I don't know. What do you think?